Okay, hi everyone. In this video, I will show you on how the introduction of using Catia software in terms of um, drawing two sketch models. Okay, this is the interface of Catia software. Okay, so if you can see here on your upper side, you have button of interface, which is a start button. So in this button, it have all the interface that will be used by the users in different category. For example, infrastructure, you have product structure, material library, then you have mechanical design, part design, assembly design, sketch, and drafting. You have here composite design here. Then the next you have shape in terms of freestyle, sketch tracer, imaging shape, digitize shape editor, and generative shape design, and rest. Then you have also analysis and simulation for advanced machine tools and generative structure analysis. Then you have AEC plan, you have machining, you have digital mock, you have equipment and systems, digital process for manufacturing, machining simulations, ergonomic design, knowledge aware, and Innovia V5 VPN. So here also you have file. Here you can open a new file here. You can create a new file. You can save as. You have print here. Okay, you also have edit. In edit you can repeat. You have cut and paste, copy. Then you have search. You have properties, view. This is the tool. For example, you have all the tools that you want to use it. You have pan, fit, zoom. This is. Then you have insert for components. For example, assembly drawing, we will use it. Okay, new product, compact design. So you have tool. Okay, so there is an option here. Okay. Then you have analyze, and you have window and help. Okay, on your right side you will have all the interface of if you want to use, for example, product selection, components, and product. Okay, this is the main interface. Okay, on your left side you have a tree. This tree will show each of your movement of your drawing. Okay, so for example, in this video I will show you on 2D sketch. So what you need to do is you need to be inside of the 2D sketch interface. So first click start, then select mechanical design, and select the third one, which is sketcher. So you will notice there is a pop-up on your right side, which is and you can enter your name. For example, 2D sketch, then select OK. So you are already in sketch interface, 2D sketch interface. Okay, so if you can see here on your left side you have the plane, XY plane, YZ and ZY, and also part body. Okay, you can put it here. Okay, then in order for us to draw something, to sketch something, so you need to be inside of the plane. So you will have, here is YZ plane, XY plane, and also XZ plane. So you have two options to select which plane do you want to start your drawing. Either you can select on this side. So you can notice there is a blue color, means you are selecting the correct plane, or you can select directly on your left side. So in this case we will select YZ plane. You just click to YZ plane. So now you are already in the interface of sketching. Okay, how to sketch. So you can sketch using this interface. On your right side there is a tool to be used. Okay, for example, the first one is to exit the sketch interface. For example, exit workbench. So you are really outside of the main sketch. So if you want to go inside, just select sketch and select which pane. So we are already into the sketch pane. So there is interface also, the tool of to do the drawing. For example, the first one is profile. Profile is a continuous line that you can, if you want to use it for continuous line. For example, if you select the first one, second, it will be keep on continuous. The line will be continuous. Okay. Okay. In fact, you can do some circle, for example. Okay. Okay, you can give it a try. So, if you want to deselect the line, you just select escape from your keyboard. So, this is your profile. In the second one, you will have interface of rectangle. Okay, for example here. Then you can also have, you can select, you can see there is an arrow here. You can select other tools such as for example parallelogram. Okay, it's a parallel drawing, so you can select something like this and others. So the third one is the circle. So you have circle. Okay, or you can select 3-point circle, 1, 2, and 3. Or you can select 3-point arc. Okay. Okay. The fourth one is spline. The main one is spline. If you notice, if you want to use it, it should be in orange color. So if you select it orange color, so you can use the spline. Okay, you can see here, just keep on connecting. Okay, then you can just click escape to deselect. Double, 2 times of escape. So you can notice there is a connect. So you can connect between 2 points here. So it will be automatically connect. Then you have the third one, the fourth, fifth one is ellipse. Okay. So you will have also this is the line, simple line, 1 by 1 line. Okay. You can select 1 by 1. You can select infinity line. This is the infinity line. You can select. Okay. Next is exist. For example, this is your line. Okay, you want it to be an exist from point to point. So this is an exist for you. This is your reference exist. So from here, for example, we want to draw another line. So this is your exist line. From this line will become your datum of exist. Okay. Okay, this is. So you also can select point. For example, you want it to be point by point. Which point? For example, second point here. Then you want to make a line here from point to point. So you have a point to point line. Okay. Okay. Below one you have a corner. Corner means you can directly select. For example, 2 things here. Okay, if you want to undo, you can select undo or Ctrl Z. Okay. So for example, here and these two. Okay, this can become a chamfer, okay, or fillet, something like this. Okay, become chamfer. This is a fillet. Okay, this is trim. Okay, you can trim your drawing. Example here, there is intersection. You can trim. You want this area. If you want trim to be here, okay, or you can select trim, select the inside one. So wherever you can freely choose it. This is break. For example, you want it to be break. So it will be 2 lines here instead of 1 line. For example, this is 1 line. You want to be this line to be break into 2 with the intersection of the vertical line. Then you will have 2 break. Okay, this is quick trim. Quick trim. Okay, for example, you want to trim this one. You just select quick trim and you can directly auto trim. Okay, so you have close up, for example, this one will automatically close. Okay, here also you will have a mirror. Okay, example, you want this drawing to be a mirror, this line to be a mirror. For example, okay, this line to be a mirror. Okay. Mirror. Can see? If you want to zoom out, you can just select zoom out. Okay. For example, I want to do mirror. This circle I want to be the mirror based on this line. So you can select. Okay, select mirror. Select this circle and select the axis. So you have a mirror. This one is symmetry. Okay, same also, the same concept. For example, this one, you want to do symmetry, so it become example, this circle, this is your symmetry line, so you will get a symmetry. Okay, so this is the interface of the tool for the sketch. Okay, if you can see here, this is important for you. This is on your below side. You have some tool. For example, this is zoom. You can keep on zooming. Okay. Okay. If you want to select, okay, zoom, you can just zoom. Okay, unzoom or negative. This is rotate. Okay, you can rotate this drawing. Okay, you can see this on normal. This is, you can go for normal or view. So for example, you just rotate just now. So you just original view. Then you have pan. Pan is movement. Left, right, up, above. And you have fit all. So it will fit based on your screen. Okay, you will have creating multi-view. So this is your other view. You want to see other view. Okay. Then here you also have isometric view. This is normally used for 3D. Top, front view, back view. You can play around. Left view. Okay. So here you have, we call it shade H. This one, for example, you want wireframe. Normally you can see it in 3D model. In 2D you cannot notice any changes. Okay, one is important is the grid line. So if you want to have a grid line, just select it, this grid line. So you will have a select line. Okay, another one is, we call it snap to point. Okay, for example, okay, this is the, okay, want to make a line. Okay, with, okay, you can see the difference. Without, with the snap point, so it will point at your grid line. The line will be at moving, follow the grid line. If you switch off the snap point, you can freely move the line. Okay. This is on interface of Sketch. Okay, next you want to give a try to draw some simple 2D sketch. Okay, you can select all, delete. Okay, on your left side you can see the geometry tree. Okay, so I want to show you on how to draw simple line. Okay, for the first exercise. Okay, in this exercise we want to draw a simple line here. Ignore the scale, so we just want to have a try to draw this line. Okay, for example, okay, in this case this drawing is in terms of inch. Okay, normally as default your Catia will be in millimeter. In order to change that, you can go for insert, you can go for tool and option. So on your left side there is a, on the general there is a parameter and measurement. So you can select unit, so you can select which unit do you want to use it, millimeter, centimeter. In this case we want to use it in inch, so the drawing should be in inch. Okay, so you can try one by one. Okay, we start with IJ. Okay, this, the IJ have a length of 1.3, so you just select one line from the center to your right side. Okay, then in order to dimension it, you just put it constraint, so automatically, so you just select 1.3 inch. Okay, make it zoom. Okay, so second one, because in this question we want to find what is the correct angle. Okay, in fact the length of JA also should be, we should find to get the JA line. So we need to use to draw the others in order to get the angle and also the distance or the length. Okay, the second one we go for IH. Select this one to another one. Okay, select constraint, the angle is 135, so you can select two lines and you will get the angle, and double click it here and just change it to be 135. Okay, next put the dimension. In this case IH or HI is 0.68. Enter. Okay, so you get the okay, next. Okay, we already have this one, can be make it smaller. can make the angle become smaller. Okay, so next is HG. So make a line from here to something here. Okay, the next step is the angle, which is 120. Double click to the angle, is putting 120. Then you can go within this constraint and select the length, which is HG is 1.06. Okay. The angle you can make it smaller. Okay. So next is GF. Okay, GF. So just select point here to be G and H. So you can see automatically there is a 90 degree here. So no need to change it. You already have the software is automatically detect a 90 degree here. Then the next is F to E. Okay. F to E. Select this point. Select the length first, sorry. The length of GF is FG is 0.4. Okay, then select from F to E. Okay. Select the angle. The angle should be 105. Then again select the length EF. EF is 0.66. Okay. So next is ED. Select ED. Select the angle. Okay, the angle should be the same. Okay. If you notice there is a purple color, means there is a overstring, over-constraint. Sorry. So you can just check and you just can delete one. Use over-constraint. Okay. So the length of ED is 0.34. Okay. Then you can do a CD. Okay, if you make a mistake, just put the escape. Okay. So C to D. Okay. The angle is 90 degree. So select to be 90 degree. Okay. The length should be CD is 0.46. Okay. So you can go for C to B. C to B with the angle of 75. Then the length is C to B, the length is 0.9. Okay, we're almost there. Okay, next, line B to A. Okay. The angle is 60 degree. Okay. Again, 9 from here to here. The angle is 60. And the length is AB is 0.94. 0.94. Okay, so just connect the last one. So you will get the line is, the angle is we can zoom it. You can make it to be more nicer. Okay, so we want to check the angle. Angle is 9.06. 9.06. The line is 0.711. Okay. Already try to do. I hope everybody get the same one. Okay, this is our simple 2D sketch line. Okay. So everybody can try. Do you get the same one? Hopefully you get the same one.